Chinese scientists engineer mutant COVID-19 variant GX_P2V, triggering 100% mortality in humanist mice. Before proceeding further in the video, if you like our video, then subscribe the channel and share it. Scientists in China are experimenting with a mutant COVID-19 strain that can cause a 100% death rate in humanized mice, according to a study not published yet. The virus, dubbed GX_P2V, caused 100% mortality in human ace to transgenic mice, potentially due to late-stage brain infection, revealed the study published on the preprint site by Orxiv and not reviewed yet. The study by researchers, including from the University of Chemical Technology and Nanjing University in China, showed that GX_P2V attacked the brains of mice that were engineered to reflect similar genetic makeup to people. This underscores a spillover risk of GX_P2V into humans and provides a unique model for understanding the pathogenic mechanisms of SARS-CoV-2-related viruses. The researchers wrote in the paper, the deadly GX_P2V is a mutated version of GX in 2017, a coronavirus cousin that was reportedly discovered in Malaysian pangolins in 2017, 3 years before the pandemic. All the mice that were infected with the virus died within just 8 days, which researchers noted was a surprisingly rapid death rate, the New York Post reported. The study showed that GX_P2V had infected the lungs, bones, eyes, tracheas, and brains of the dead mice, the last of which was severe enough to ultimately cause the death of the animals. Days before their deaths, the mice had quickly lost weight, exhibiting a hunched posture, and moved extremely sluggish. Even their eyes turned completely white the day before they died. The report said, experts slammed the research as terrible and scientifically totally pointless. I can see nothing of vague interest that could be learned from force infecting a weird breed of humanized mice with a random virus. Conversely, I could see how much stuff might go wrong. François Ballou, an epidemiology expert at the University College London's Genetics Institute, wrote in a post on X.com. The preprint does not specify the biosafety level and biosafety precautions used for the research. He continued,
if you like the video, then like the video, share it and subscribe to Stranger and Zoning 18 channel and press the bell icon.